The law applies to him just as it does to all movie stars. Should he suddenly start getting preferential treatment because he's entered politics? Nandakumar, respond to Kovai Satyan.
Certainly not, because if you look into the behavior of Vijay, always he maintains calmness. Even during the Karur incident also, there were so many stories were being cooked up by DMK supporters against Vijay and their party. And they have been gone to the extent of calling them a killer of 41 people. Even then also, Vijay was not ready to substantiate his views or his stand. He really respected the rule of law. And he waited for the judgment, even after the Chennai High Court judgment, which was very derogatory in nature. Even then he didn't respond, and he gone to the Supreme Court and he got the verdict in favor of a proper legal inquiry to be made by CBI, which is supervised by the supervised committee. So always, as we see, Vijay always respects the due course of law. That's why he has not made any political statement yet.
No, but then why has this film's producer then jumped the gun and announced the release date? Because the High Court is clearly slamming the film producer, saying you didn't even wait for the clearance and then you announced the release date.
Madhav, there were so many incidences in all the regional CBFCs that there were cases, even within just 2 days, the certifications have been granted. And actually, literally speaking, technically, they need 48 days from the time of application to the issue of certification. And Vijay also should be cognizant of this, and they should have been more proactive in nature. That is one shortfall from Mr. Vijay's and KVN production side.
Okay, otherwise, so there is a shortfall. You're admitting there's a shortfall. Mr. Rajagopal, that ends that debate.
No,
Mr. Rajagopal,
more than that shortfall, there is lot of procedural irregularities what Justice P.T. Asha has mentioned.
Yeah, but what about the larger bench? Then why did larger bench hold it back? Justice Asha's judgment has been stalled by the release, and the entire certification has been stalled by the larger bench. Obviously, we have to defer to the larger bench's wisdom.
Yeah, the bench has stalled it because they wanted to give certain time for CBFC to respond, but they have not.
So the point is that Justice Asha should have perhaps listened to the CBFC is the word that comes out of that. Mr. Rajagopal, your response to these arguments. Why is it that only Jana Nayagan has been stalled and Parashakti has been cleared?
Madhav, the script writers of both the films have an ideological agenda. One is supporting X, one other is supporting Y. I don't want to take which ideology. The Parashakti speaks about 1965 Hindi agitation. They want to pip it up because DMK decided to go against Congress. Now Congress and the DMK are shedding crocodile tears after Parashakti got the permission, not before that. Even the show, DMK representative in 10 seconds, as Kovai Satyan said, he changed his opinion. Therefore, it is political. Day after tomorrow, Mr. Vijay is coming to Delhi for CBI inquiry. As Mr. Nandakumar said, I say, Mr. Vijay has been crushed by DMK to the maximum tilt. Even in Karur case, DMK ensured that Mr. Vijay is put into the legal rigmarole. That is what happening here in Jana Nayagan also. My feeling is that Vijay will come out successfully, even if it is delayed by 10 days or 15 days, he will have a timings. But I would like to blame the script writers and the producers because without the obtaining subject certificate, how can they go public? Parashakti also did it, but Parashakti very cleverly, 15 cuts, they got it. Parashakti had a BJP influence then. DMK representative should answer that. Now in this one, how did Parashakti get permission to release it tomorrow? Does it mean DMK and BJP are together?